Well, thank you. Uh, Nowadays, we have to deeply solve this process and system whose maths and criterion solve this integral calculus. Firstly, we have to deeply try f of x equal to e to the power x, g of x equal to sin x, then x equal to cos x. Find f of g plus h equal to f of g plus c and 0 to pi by 4 to gh divided by g4 plus h4 dx equal to 0. Find the area of enclosed by the axis of the h and x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So we have to try in number q. Number q. f of g plus h equal to f of g plus c. So then integration f of g plus h equal into dx. The f of g means e to the power x sin x. F of h means e to the power x cos x. So then e to the power x sin x, e to the power x cos x. E to the power x is common, sin x plus cos x dx. E to the power x sin x, e to the power x cos x. Just for you have to apply in u integration v dx minus integration ddx of u integration v dx close dx. Just integration u and v. You have to apply these two terms of integration. E to the power x integration sin x dx and minus integration ddx of e to the power x integration sin x dx close dx, and secondly e to the power x integration cos x dx minus integration ddx of e to the power x integration cos x dx close dx. That's why e to the power x minus cos x minus plus e to the power x into cos x, e to the power x into cos x integration dx plus e to the power x into sin x and minus integration e to the power x into sin x dx, right? Okay, that's why our again integration u and v, u and e to the power minus x minus e to the power x cos x and plus e to the power x e to the power x sin x, e to the power x sin x minus integration e to the power x sin x dx. That's why plus e to the power x sin x and minus e to the power x cos x and minus integration e to the power x cos x minus plus minus minus plus dx. Third bracket is closed. So That's why it's totally different mathematics. So you have to deeply practice, obviously. That's equal minus e to the power x cos x and plus e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x sin x integration dx plus e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x minus e to the power x sin x minus plus e to the power x sin x integration dx. So that's why this and that's plus c. Okay, e to the power x sin x, 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 e to the power x cos x, e to the sin x, e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x. That's Abhiday. So you have to deeply thinking and deeply math in answer. You have to f of g means f of x, sin of x means g of x plus constant. So then you have to advance this and that way. So easy way it's a maths in intermediate level and many levels. So you have to deeply thinking and deeply process this the system. Well, thank you every viewers and thanks a lot of newcomers and new viewers. Number is called integration 2 is divided by g of 4 plus x of 4 and dx are equal to integration 2 g of x means e to the power x, 2 g of x means e to the power x and 0 to pi divide 4, 0 to pi divide 4, 2 sin x, 2 g of x means 2 cos x and g of x sin 4x plus cos 4x and dx. And then you have to deeply thinking. This is the system and process. 0 to pi divided by 4, 2 sin x and cos x, sin x whole square plus cos x, x square whole square. Right, you are? Okay. So then divided by in cos square x, cos 4x, then 0 to pi divide 4, 2 cos 4x, that means 10x. That means cos sec square x dx. That means tan square x whole square plus 1. So then put tan square x equal to z, that implies 2 tan x, and sec square x dx equal to dz. That's why dx equal to dz. So x equal to 0, then z equal to 0, x equal to pi divided by 4, then z equal to 1. So I equal to 0 to 1 dz divided by z square plus 1, that means tan inverse z, 0 to 1, that means tan inverse 1 minus 0, that means pi divided by 4. This is the answer. You have to thinking this the system and process and memorize in term by term. Then obviously right now in your khata it's also nowadays firstly most of the students are weakness in calculus level, which levels are integral or differentiate. This is the most important in future or present life. Life is so easily, but you have to not practice in calculus level or intermediate level. Intermediate level deeply practice, then you have to collect in good marks and good results. It's also right you are. And number kh. And number is go. Number is go. Find the area enclosed by the axis HG and X. HG and X. X-axis and Y-axis. Y-axis and X-axis. Firstly, sin x, cos x and x. Sin x, cos x and x. So that means this is the region. This is the region. These regions are area. Find the region, this and that. Sin x, this is the sin x. This is the sin x and cos x, and x is x. Well, A and B. Total boundary is pi, and pi divided by 2, and this is the pi divided by 4. This is the E. We have to practice in area of OABO equal to area of OAE plus area of A, E and B. Right? This is the area of this and that. Well, that's equal to 0 to pi divide 4 is first area, that means sin x dx, and second area pi by 4 to pi by 2 is a cos x dx. You are clear? We have to different thinking. Firstly sin x, and secondly cos x, that means cos x. So that means area OAB. OAB area plus AEB. AEB. OAE plus AEB. These the two lines are meeting point of OAB. OABO. This is the meeting area of the figure e to the power x, sin x and cos x. So e to the power x not a, g, h and x. X-axis means x-axis out of the figure. That areas is total boundary of out, or out of boundary is a x. Inner boundary of sin x, cos x, this is the area. So you have to calculate this minus cos x minus 0 to pi divide 4 plus sin x, that the 0 to pi divide 4 to pi divide 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 and sin 91 and sin is 1 by 2, well equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. That's why 2 minus 2. This is the answer. Is Ga. Is the Ga. Well, so much everybody and every viewers and every students, most of the students are welcome. This maths firstly answer is Ka and Ka and Ga. Ka is 2 marks and Ka is 4 marks and Ga is 4 marks. That's all up to 10 marks. You have to answer of 10 marks. Answer of 10 marks. It is so easily, but not so easy, because you have to deeply practice. Then obviously it's also easily. You have to newcomer in my channel. Then obviously you have to share you and your friends and all of friends, because you have to clear, but your friends are automatically clear. Then it's also totally easiest process, and memorize this term by terms. Then obviously you have to apply in your examining hall. Well, thanks.